What is the definition of technically auscultation?
Auscultation. Auscultation is the process of listening to sounds produced by the body to distinguish normal and abnormal sounds using a stethoscope. The sound heard comes from the cardiovascular, respiratory, and gastrointestinal system.
Instrument used for abdominal examination auscultation technically is a handscoon and a stethoscope. Pre-interaction pass.
Assalamualaikum, hello, good morning. I will introduce myself. My name is Harisma Izatunisa from the Nurse of Stikas Muhammadiyah Kendal. I am here to perform an abdominal examination using the auscultation technique. The purpose of auscultation on abdominal examination is an examination that provides information about bowel sounds.
And to listen for peristaltic bowel sounds caused by the movement of gas or food. Interaction pass. Step 2. Washing hands and keep privacy. Step 3. Position the patient and undress the patient. Step 4. Wearing a handscoon and stethoscope. Step 5. Listen for bowel sounds in each quadrant of the abdomen. Termination pass. After examination using auscultation technique, there are bowel sounds 5 to 30 times per minute. Put the patient's clothes back on. Take off a handscoon. Washing hands. Thank you for your cooperation. Thanks for watching, guys.